welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the first of all of the Jeffree Star Summer 2021 mystery boxes. This right here is the Supreme. So this is going to be the first part. I did order the Supreme, the Deluxe, the Premium, and the Mini. These ones will be in the part 2 video that will go up in 1 to 2 days depending on how quick I can edit these guys. This right here is the $180 version. Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. Whenever I hit checkout on these mystery boxes, it always hurts. But it is supposed to have a $323 value. I'm double checking here from the website. And it's supposed to contain the 13 items. Of course, one of them is going to be an exclusive item that Jeffree has already revealed on his Instagram, talking about how there's going to be a new palette in here called Star Ranch, so I'm very excited to see that one. That is the only thing that I know of that is going to be in here. That's all the deets about it. Let's slice our way. I'm in. Wow, I see something really big here up on the top. By the way, I do want to mention, as per usual, if there are doubles of any items, there is for sure going to be a giveaway with those items in today's video. If there are no doubles, which that would be a shocker, there's still going to be a giveaway in today's video. I'm thinking we have to get started with this bright yellowy orange package right here. I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, it's the hand mirror, the Pinksicle. They make these boxes so difficult to enter. Oh, no wonder, it goes this way. Oh, it's the pink one. No wonder it said Pinksicle. How adorable. So this is the Pinksicle hand mirror. That is really cute. I like that one. I have a few mirrors now, but I mean, they are really good to kind of have for company. That's my justification. Okay, so that was item number 1. Back into the box, we got some tissue paper, more tissue paper, and now it looks like our apparel item. You can definitely always expect there to be some kind of apparel shirt. Oh my god, the sleeves are missing. Hold on, that took me by surprise. Okay, this is different. I was gonna say, you can always expect there to be some kind of t-shirt with a Jeffree Star logo in a different kind of theme for the box. But it looks like this is one of those like kind of muscle tees that you always see at the gym. Let's plop it on. Let me, whoop. Okay, here's what the muscle tee looks like on me. I mean, I don't really think this is me. I've never had a t-shirt like this. This is a size small, by the way, that I got. I mean, maybe I would roll it up a little bit. I don't know. It's just not my style is all. Cute tie-dye design. I like the pink, the purple. But yeah, I think this one's gonna be a no for me this time around. That was item number 2. Let's grab the third, and it looks like we got ourselves a beach ball? A Jeffree Star themed beach ball. Oh my god, I got lightheaded. Ooh, hang on one second. Definitely use an air pump if you're gonna do that. It's a cute little themed item. I wonder if this is supposed to be like the exclusive item. I'm gonna keep track of this and then we'll kind of go back to this and talk about this. If this is supposed to be like one full item, makes me a little bit like meh about it. But we'll see. We'll keep going through the items and see what the total is here at the end. Now on to our 4th product in the box. We got ourselves the Velour lip liner in Dominatrix. And just for fun, since I have it, I'm gonna swatch the Dominatrix liquid lipstick next to the lip liner, just so we can see how close the colors are. I mean, I got it, might as well. Oh yeah, look at that, spot on. So the lip liner is right there, liquid lipstick over there. Oh wow, that purple lipstick really left a stain. I love this color. It's so pretty. And the Velour lip liners, I always get excited when I get those in the box. I really like the formula of those. Fifth item, it looks like we're gonna have another lip product. But this time it's the Supreme Gloss in Blow My Candles. It has the most funky looking wand there. Look at the like hole in there. It's so interesting, but it looks like a very pretty wearable shade, that one. These ones, unlike the other ones, are supposed to be a full pigmented gloss, so it's not gonna be just a topper. You're supposed to be able to get away with full color on its own with this guy. Quite a stain left on the lips here. I tried to cover it as best as I could. Let's plop this one on. And they describe this one as a peachy light nude shade. Has a really nice scent to it. I thought it was kind of like chocolate, but I'm checking it online here and they describe it as a vanilla cupcake scent. And I definitely use the applicator in a weird way. I don't think I use it the right way because they said this rose petal shaped applicator is designed to close as it's being pulled and hold the product inside, so there's no need to re-dip. Which it definitely did hold a lot of the product, but I realized I was kind of holding it on its side, not laying it flat, so I messed up using that applicator. I see we have a couple more lip products in the box. I'm gonna give it a break here for a second and we'll switch to something else. And looking here, it looks like we got ourselves a Velour lip scrub. This one is in Candy Necklace. I can imagine this one is gonna have a very sweet fragrance, like super sweet, since it's the Candy Necklace one. I am gonna leave it in the packaging. I'm not gonna sniff it because I do have a couple open behind me and I do not need to add another one to the pile. I can't be hoarding things. So I'm definitely gonna be putting this towards the giveaway. And then it looks like we got some single shadows here in the box. And as I learned last time, these are some of the most popular eyeshadow palettes that they have taken and turned into singles. Here we got Mint Condition, which is from the Blood Money palette. The shade Bite Me, which is this dark purple shade in the Jawbreaker palette. And the third single shadow, And What, which is also in the Jawbreaker palette right up here. I went ahead and just swatched them in the same order that I showed you them. Very pigmented, gorgeous shades. Back into the box here. Oh, it looks like we got something for the single shadows here. This looks like a Z palette. That's what I always call this. It's like calling it a Kleenex when it's a tissue. I always call it a Z palette. Is a single shadow, little customizable palette here. That's really nice. I like that they included that one because they've been including a lot of single shadows in all the latest mystery boxes actually. It does have a magnetic close. I actually have a couple single shadows I accidentally opened and swatched the very first time they came in the box because I thought they were new shadows. So I'll plop those in there. And I just want to check, will these stick in here since this is for his... Oh yeah! Look at that! Very nice. It looks like you can fit 3 in the top row, probably another 2 rows, I'm guessing. Kind of looks like his mini palettes that he has, the 9-pan ones. That's roughly the size that this one gives me. Alright, now I feel like I'm ready to dip back into some more lip products here, so let's grab this guy. This is the Glouse. It is the Cremated Collection. I showed you the wrong end. Heaven's Gate is what this one's called. This shade is a clear gloss with white sparkles. A good little topper gloss there. And dang it, I should have done this in reverse order. I got one more lip product. This one is the Velour liquid lipstick. It looks like it's a mystery shade. Because I do not recognize that at all. It looks like it's gonna be a peachy nude shade, maybe? Oh no, it looks more nude in the packaging. I wasn't quite sure how I was gonna feel about this shade, but I actually like this color. I think it's very pretty. That was the last lip product in the box now, so we'll go ahead and leave this color on. It looks like we got 3 more products in the box. And wow, we got ourselves a Extreme Frost here. It looks like this was a part of the Blood Monday collection. Oh yeah, it definitely was. Hold on, let me show you this closer. Just look at that embossing that this one has pressed into it. Really pretty. This one they describe as a white champagne with a hypnotizing green reflect. They also describe it as a diamond finish that this one leaves on your skin. It's extremely sparkly. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind with these ones. I'm gonna put it on this side in case it's a lot. I do have highlighter already on the face, so just wanna mention that. Wonder if this brush will work. Oh yeah, she works. Wow, that is blinding. You know what, I'll put it on the other side too. Might as well be even. You know what? That is actually not bad. You do see a little bit of that green kind of sparkliness, but not too much where it's too intense. That first Extreme Frost, the only one that I have it right here. This one has a blue purple look to it that's really, really intense. So when you put it on the skin, I felt like it was just a little bit much. I feel like this one in comparison is a little bit more doable. So that's a cool item to get in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. My camera just died, and when it dies, it deletes the last minute of footage. Oh, I'm so mad at myself that I let that happen. So it cut out this last bit where I just pulled out the second to last item in the box, the exclusive Star Ranch palette. I'm so sorry you missed the unveiling of that. So mad at myself. But finally, we have reached the exclusive Star Ranch palette. Here's what she looks like all sides around. I am ready to see what she looks like. Whoop, there she is, Star Ranch. So this is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I thought this was gonna be a completely nude palette because Jeffree Star in his video where he was talking about it said, don't worry, it's gonna be totally wearable, super wearable, don't worry about it. And now I'm looking at it and I'm like, wow, all those blues. Kind of should be expected with Jeffree Star though. But let me give you a close-up tour of this palette since it is completely new. I wanna see what she looks like. So this is her. But I definitely will admit, this for Jeffree Star is very toned down. This is a very wearable palette for Jeffree. Because I mean, we got lots of brown shades, a gold, some blues. I mean, yeah, wearable. But yeah, I mean, it looks really good. I am excited to dip into this one and test it out. And then we just have one more item in the box, and I can already tell what this is. We got the blood money. In case you want a little confirmation, here's a look at the unicorn. So I'm gonna leave this in its original kind of like wrapping tissue paper here. That way I can save that for someone else. And I'll just go ahead and show you guys my blood money palette. The completely green themed eyeshadow palette with this awesome like trunk case that it comes in. This palette does have 18 shades in it, which features mattes, metallics, foils, and the extreme wet formula. I actually just got that one in the 420 mystery box that I unboxed really late. That one just went up not that long ago, honestly. And I was so excited about it. Very happy that I got it. I love this palette. So I'm excited to give that away to one of you guys. And that was officially now our last item for the Supreme Mystery Box. She has been completely unboxed. So we ended up actually getting a lot of items this time around. I think it was more than that quoted 13 items. Technically it was 15 items if you include the beach ball and you count the single shadows each as one item. So that does make me feel better about getting the beach ball. Now for all of the items in which I could get values for, it would be easier for me to tell you the ones that I can't get you values for actually. So I could get everything except for the Star Ranch, which has not dropped yet, the new single eyeshadow palette empty case here, and of course the beach ball. These three items I did not have any way to get a value of, but for everything else, all other 12 items, I was able to add up to $275.97 in value. Just to see how much we're missing to hit that $323 value, we would need an extra $47.03. And I think we could definitely hit that with these last three items. Kind of comparing the Star Ranch to the other 9-pan eyeshadow palettes. Those ones go for about 28 bucks, so this one would be roughly 28, I'm thinking. So then for these last two guys, it would leave us with $19-ish, $19.03 if you want to be specific, for these two items that this could be the value for, which, yeah, I mean, I guess I could see that. The majority would be for that empty palette there. But yeah, that is the summer 2021 mystery boxes unboxed here for the Supreme. Now let's talk deets about this giveaway here. So I'm thinking for today's video, one lucky person is gonna win the Blood Money palette along with this Blood Money liquid lipstick that I got in the previous mystery boxes. This one is of course unused. It is the shade Crocodile Tears, so one of you guys is gonna be able to win this. It's gonna be the usual routine with how I do my giveaways. You just gotta make sure you're subscribed here on my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and make sure you leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle because I'll be reaching out to you through Instagram. And this giveaway is gonna be running for 2 weeks. But those are the deets. Make sure you come back for the second round of mystery boxes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!